is happening, gigolos and gigolettes? Just fucking kidding. Fuck that stupid saying. I gotta figure out how to get fucking water, because this is some bullshit. This whole time I was looking for some fucking water, and I couldn't even fucking do it. And I think I know how. Yep, you guys were right. And then I fucking also asked some people when I was playing it last time how to get water, and people in the comments and in the fucking live stream were telling me like, oh, go to a river and drink it. I'm like, okay. And then like it was 9 out of 10 of that, and then like fucking the rest was like, how about you just kill yourself? Oh, you get to, oh, okay. That's tight. Like little loot boxes. These motherfuckers are smart though. You see how like they just, okay. There we go. Right there, chop it down. You got a flashlight. Ooh, let's check them. Alright, you guys, so we built the fucking bow and arrow. And I built some arrows with it. Excuse me. Oh my god. And we're halfway, not done, not totally, we're literally not close to building my house. So, yeah, that's cool. But so far, I found a lot of cool shit. Just by running around and going to those markers, like the purple little things. And fucking just finding out that those people are actually fucking dead. Some of them that I found so far. Look, they go, all 3 of them right here. Anyways. Oh my god. I folded one of your teammates, nigga. Yeah. What you doing, brother? Gritty? Get your ass out of here. Oh my. Yo, I got bodied in the instant. What the fuck am I in? A cocoon? Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? Get my whole backpack. They're dumb as fuck for leaving my shit out here. Is that music in the background? What the fuck is going on? Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute, block. Oh my god. They're not joking, I know. There I fucking go. That was me fucking trying that shit, I guess. Hey, yo, bro, I'm just gonna just fucking check your shit, alright? All good? Alright, cool. Cool. Oh, damn! I suck at bow and arrows right now. No! Bro, you're supposed to move out the fucking way. This shit. Fuck this goddamn shit. Alright, so far I'm just building a fucking another house for some fucking reason. I don't know, I just got bored. I know we're supposed to be doing missions and shit, but I'm low-key like just in shock of how horny I am all the time. Ooh, what's this? Oh hell yeah. Oh my god, we found a lot of shit here. Damn, I got this money this motherfucker had. Oh damn. God, I wish I had fucking a shovel. I gotta find out where to get the fucking shovel at, bro. Give me that fucking deer. Give me that deer ass. Bro, I'm realizing that you just need to have the shovel to dig this shit up, like all this shit around here. You have to dig all this shit up, so that's why I'm like, wow, so fuck this shit. How far am I from the house? Fucking damn. Is that where I'm supposed to be going? That orange shit? That little teeny tiny ass orange thing? Oh my god, hold on. Oh fuck, hold on. Kevin, Chill out, bro. I know I didn't feed you, but chill out. He gonna push me. He like, I did when you were young. Open the door. Open the door. That's how I imagine Kevin be talking like, to be honest. These graphics are pretty good, though. Kevin, what you doing? Fight them, bro. You finna let them bully you like that? Okay, gang. Headshot, bitch. Yeah, you see what you did to your homie? Well, you wanna cheat? Yeah, head ass. Oh, you wanna? Yeah, you. Oh my god. Imagine one of them isn't there and they wake up, and they have their friends gooch in their face. Looks like that one's like, hey, to be honest, it's getting kinda chilly in here. Hey, well, the fucking. It wasn't that funny? Yeah, get to sucking. Yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna keep going and just pretend I didn't see. Oh my god, that is scary. I'm not gonna look under the water. That was fucking scary. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes, there's stuff in here. Crawl in there, bro. You taking your sweet fucking time. Is that a... Oh, yes. Now I can kill myself. What the hell was that? What the fuck was that noise? Anyways, we got the Glocky now, bro. How much ammo I got in this motherfucker? 14 bullets, okay. What the hell? Oh, fuck no. That was scary as fuck. What the hell? Oh, 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 oh. God damn. Ooh, that scared me low-key. Gone. It's fucking gone. And I'm like, oh, maybe I took it. Nope, it would have said 2 right here. So that means I'm gonna have to go all the way over there and try to look for it on my own. Oh my god, game. Why are you doing me like this, bro? I didn't even do shit. Little tarp home thingy. And, you know, yeah, just save it right here. Just in case. The shark comes through, I'm gonna poke his ass on his fucking little face. God, I hate sharks and I hate video games with sharks in them. I have thalassophobia, bro, like really bad. And ooh, that's why I keep looking up because I don't want to see how dark the water is. Look. Oh, wait, it's not that dark, but you know when I get deeper and it looks like there's nothing there. Oh my god, my heart. Oh my god, my heart's sinking a little bit. And if I press the I to whip on my. Oh my god, he's behind me again, isn't he? Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! That scared the fuck out of me! Get in there! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a big mother... Oh, he a big one too, bruh. That's a fucking bitch. Get out of here, boy. Only got one more arrow left. Oh yeah. Just seeing how big the shark is fucking gives me chills, bruh. Come back. Get the shark. I know, bruh. But like, yo ass, like, oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. He thought I was fucking around. I shot. Yeah. He's like, fish are friends, not food. Except for this motherfucker, and started biting my legs, so I had to bust the cap in his ass. He thought I was joking. That shit was funny. He's like, oh fuck, and like he got shot up. What the fuck are you, sir? Oh, he tweaking. He's like, let me help. Yeah, what you doing, huh? Damn, he hit that word, dude. You killed him. He's just jerking off in the corner, you hear him? Oh, use a big mother, right? Holy shit, he one-tapped! Let me go back, please. Don't tell me you have to go all the way back. Fuck! going? He's not that close. He was literally he was licking my boots like like shark tails. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hurry up. Hurry up. Just press E. Press E. Oh my god. Oh my god. The heebie-jeebies I'm getting. Yeah. Come on. Shark bait. Haha, motherfucker. Yeah. Already. Cause like it's hard to find pistol ammo over here. Oh, what? No. Oh, you guys don't go in the ocean. Don't go in the ocean, y'all. There's a fucking shark in there. What the fuck? What the hell? Where are we? Yo. Oh my god, we're at the end of the game already. I'm just kidding, hold on. Oh, what the hell? I just gave it. Oh, that's what that printer fluid shit is. Oh my god. And I can 3D printer. Oh, there's a bed. Let's just save it right here. Just in case. Some motherfucker comes in like just starts blasting me and that's it, you know. We made the weekend mask. What the hell? Look at this shit. What does this do? The fucking mask from that Jordan Peele movie? Us? Grappling hooks? I just hear music, bro. I'll break this motherfucker down. Oh yeah, we can, baby. Yeah. What is this? Yo, what the fuck is this? Ooh! I just shocked myself. Oh my god, you got the water, bro. Whoa. Bitch. I didn't have anything on them? No? The drill? No? You said? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck are you? Yeah, I'll be facing that way too, bruh. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, these are bombs. It's a bomb. Kobe. Dude, that was crazy. Movie fat fuck. Dude, that was crazy. That big fuck scared the shit out of me. Oh, we are not gonna fight. Oh, ugh, babies. Ugh. I hated those little fuckers in the last one. Right. We go back up because I can't see anything. These fuckers just jumping everywhere. I don't even know how to get the fuck back. What was that? Rope gun. Oh, what? Yo, what? I just found a rope gun. Oh my god, I gotta save this, bruh. Imagine the power in my house goes out. I'll be fucked up. I'll be so mad if that shit happens. Little bunnies, you about to get it, bro. Don't worry. Oh my god. We made so much progress, guys. We are fucking gonna go back in there in the next gameplay and we are gonna fucking fuck the shit out of that thing. You seen that gussy it had? That spider hussy? Oh, we finna go back, baby. Don't worry. We'll see you guys on the next one. Jesus Christ. I'll see you guys in the next one.
She do that shit right. She with me tonight. Not looking for love, but she got my mind fucked.